We are not no affiliate. Me don't know him. Me don't know him. We don't go to school together in your army. And we don't go to same school. Me go to Mearside. Me don't know if he go to school. You don't left me alone. And I come tell me about when me I come get myself in the fact. Me get myself in a nothing. Me did about my business and mind my business. Call me name. And the reason why Spice end up a call me what day are because did call me name. And then I'm not gonna go like innocent. Innocent. Eh? Innocent where? Wanna stop it?
Right now you and we unstoppable. Unstoppable, that mean them can't stop ya. Unstoppable, run away train.
So for the past couple of days, we've seen the female entertainers who basically paved the way for the younger generation, going at it in a war of words. Lady Sa, Maka Diamond, Spice, Lady Junie, Lady Anne, and now Tanya Stevens is speaking out. But there's one thing where I wonder if nobody else no notice. That in this entire equation, there is one common denominator. Which makes me wonder if that person is the problem to begin with. Because everybody who has spoken out so far basically said the same thing about that person. Now, Tanya Stevens, I say, yo, uno same one are some hypocrites. Because uno talk about say, why uno can't unite? Why uno can't just get along? Why uno have fear war? Uno need to stop. But uno same one are the instigators. Now, Tanya, in this video, which was a lengthy one by the way, expressed a lot of things that she endured dealing with this person. And though not once did she call her name literally, everybody know exactly who she is referring to. Because we all know who has been getting it hard for the past couple of days. Now, when you listen to some of the things that Tanya is saying in this video, it's going to make you wonder too, if that person was really such an instigator. Take a listen to what Tanya Stevens is saying in this video.
I'm not doing this to gain likes or followers. I'm not doing this to gain popularity. I'm not even seeking to be understood. I am doing this because there are a few things I've noticed about our society that needs highlighting. It needs to be pointed out because some of us don't seem to be able to see it. And then when we identify these problems that we have, we need to seek solutions for them. 1, hypocrisy. Hypocrisy. There are people that we hold above criticism, above reproach, above question. And when we put someone in that position, they can do no wrong. They can literally do anything. Anything. And you guys will find an excuse for it. You guys will find a way to justify their bad behavior. These people can do anything. We have a few such people. You have a style. Now, I have noticed a lot of comments. May I start with the hypocrisy first. And if when I'm done with the hypocrisy, I feel like taking on nothing else, then me keep going. If after I'm done with the hypocrisy, I don't feel like going, I stop. But I go talk about the hypocrisy of even some of you here. Some of the good people. Some of the people who feel like they are not a part of the problem. Now, I want to say thanks to everybody who's ever listened to my music and liked it, bought a CD, come to a show. When you be and put on your good clothes and spend the money coming out and show me a perform for me, I appreciate it. You don't have to do it. Nobody owes me anything. Nobody owes me a damn thing. And I've always been aware of that. I've always been mindful. I've always been grateful because there are many people who sing much better than me. My backup singer, them sing better than me. Them know this. If they never know this before, then sing for me. They know this after, then sing for me. Can I tell them? Right? I have a unique skill set. I have a combination of Very unique voice, unique writing skill, unique sense of humor. The combination of all of my elements is what makes me potent. I am very comfortable and honest with myself. I'm not my favorite vocalist. And the fact that people spend time with me and like what I do and consume it, it makes me grateful. And it's very humbling. Because I know where I come from. I know who I be. I'm a poor people picnic. I come from extreme poverty. But at one room, I spend quite a few years of my young life in a. I come out of one room going to all house. Who know me from Richmond know when I'm in the betting shop under which part me live upstairs. So when rain fall, it come through which part we live, come down in the betting shop, fall upon their head top. Them know me come out of poverty. Me never hide that yet. I'm grateful. I am very grateful for everything, every luxury, every experience, everything that music has afforded me. Is a job. And I think I did my job well. And I got paid for it. I got paid for it. Relative to how I performed my job, I think. I made a good living out of music. And I say made because at this point, I don't know where the world is going. And there's a possibility that I may not do it the way I used to do it anymore. Right? So it's not a resignation statement. But I do it my way. I do it my way. Right? And I think I attract the people who are like-minded and who like the way I do it. I've also converted some people because prior to me expressing certain ideas and thoughts, people have admitted to me that they never used to think about it. They just followed what they heard before. You know, when I did songs like Do You Still Care? The rhetoric before. First of all, when I introduced Freaky Type, which is a song glorifying oral sex, I was told that my career would be over. And that was decades ago. Decades ago. And my career wasn't over. In fact, it grew and it kept growing and it kept growing. Because I am human. I display my humanity in every single thing I do. Not just music, everything about me. In everything about me, I display all of my humanity. I am very proud of myself. Extremely proud of. I've never been ashamed of myself. I don't sing no song when me go home and cry about. Me not do nothing on stage when me go home and cry about. Nothing. Me not embarrassed by nothing. Now what me tell about the hypocrisy I have. The hypocrisy I have is that I don't watch people I do shit. Bad shit. Shit. Repeatedly. And I don't applaud it. Because you know, I realize many of you guys who are going to watch this and spread it and cut snippets of it and find some shitty way to spin it, many of you feel really bad about yourselves. Really bad about yourselves. So, what makes you feel better is to find somebody who looks confident and happy and try to undermine that in order to feel better about yourself. Like, but she not that nice because I find something for emphasize will look negative or could be spun to look negative, right? And you use that to feel better about yourself instead of getting the help that you actually need. So when you find somebody who embodies that energy, you make them into your God and you worship them. And I've seen that with you repeatedly with artists. Now, today I was prompted by a comment that I saw on Facebook from somebody that I know. And it was saying that the women, like what is wrong with the women in dancehall? Why they can't get along? And that is such blatant hypocrisy. When Shabba and Ninja was feuding, I never heard them say, what wrong with the man them in a dancehall? When Bounty and Beanie feuded for years, nobody said, what wrong with the man them in a dancehall? The man them in a dancehall. Nobody painted all the men in dancehall bad. That's two separate feuds, you know. Even in a different time. Cartel and Mavado, still. Nobody said, oh, the man them so why the man them live so bad? Oh, the man. How much man war? How much man war? Tell me that. How much man war? And then I have been very exposed to every facet of life. So I've been around. Me used to amongst my sister first as a little pitney. We're a teacher. Me in a staff room with her. Me sit down in a staff room when teacher not hear, not see me. I hear them a chat shit about my sister. When she not there. And then when she come, them skin them teeth in front of her. Spence! Stop saying the woman don't live good. Stop saying that. Me never hear Marcia Griffiths in a no or she's a woman. Jamaican music industrialists who happen to be female, me not hear all of them in a war. What you've heard is a series of feuds which revolve around one individual. One no more. One somebody. From era to era to era to era. Some of the name them were call. When me and that the greyback start the music, them pitney they did a still egg in a them mama home as sperm in a them daddy balls. Some of the name them where the greyback a call younger than my daughter. Me couldn't possibly feud with them. Me couldn't. Me mean like, me no mean like me morally above, me mean like me chronologically above feuding with them. Me couldn't. Me couldn't. Me couldn't feud with somebody whenever born when me I carry my daughter go kindergarten. I couldn't. And you guys are such hypocrites that you sit and watch feud after feud after feud after feud. And then you have a nerve to say the woman, and then you have one individual who can come out and call any name they want, any name. And make one of them name they ever answer. Oh my God, you don't love war too much, you know, for learn to forgive. Learn to forgive. Who the are you to tell people when them forgive somebody who hurt them? I know your job, that's literally not your job. Oh, but member said that you do the same thing. No, who are you to judge? Judgment is a lot. But I know judgment start that argument here. Listen to me, on a lot about juice in one another. I want sad. And I want set of people bitter and I know where I support them. You see me happy. Me happy about something. You see the people who listen to my music? The people who are year to year to year to year through all of my evolutionary phases when me go through in my personal life, which actually reflect in my music. Me not have them the kind of fans and me thank the universe to that my people them think. And when me see one of my fans them there somewhere aggravate somebody, me tell them, no do it on my behalf. No, you don't need to defend me. Defend me from what? Nothing would then say what this will not affect my life. So right now, I'm not annoyed by the people where I chat shit. I'm annoyed by Uno where I support it and I encourage it. Uno, we see delusion and not call it out. Uno, we see mental health problems and not call it out. And me, you stick pan every day I call mad, you know. Me, we run a balance and I live my life. I live my life the way oh it please me, or me comfortable, or me happy. Uno call me mad because I don't do things the way oh Uno say it should have done. But Uno see somebody I pick pan everybody will walk. And believe me, for all of the female artists them what things say, the one them who for name a call, for let it go and forgive it, and things say, maybe some of them are aggravate the situation or exacerbate the situation for your answer. Just understand, the only reason why your name not call like you know boss, you're not nobody to them. Anyhow, you did look like you have potential, you would have get called too. Believe it, the only time you get called is when them feel threatened and if them feel like you do something where them wish them do or where them coulda do and them feel like you eat a food where them shoulda not eat. Because all of this comes from nothing but envy. Envy. You see, when you're not comfortable and happy in yourself, when you not comfortable and happy in yourself, there's no artist on the face of the earth where have nothing what me want. And me no aspire to be nobody down here, you know. Nobody. And when I say down here, I don't mean Jamaica, I mean earth. There is nobody here that I would rather be than me. I am my own creation. Every morning I wake up and I come across something in me that I don't like, I f off. Me get rid of it. Whether it take me instant or it take me time, but me get rid of it. Anything when me see in myself, I'm not afraid to call it. Ask the people around me. Ask the people around me. Listen, first of all, if it make it past my data, it good. Because nobody out the road can look in at me and hash me out and critique me more than my own child. And so I raise her. I raise her if I have a voice. I raise her if I be honest. I raise her if I be objective. I raise her if I just say it. Unapologetically just say it. And so I raise her. So I come out the road balance because I balance myself and who around me balance me too. We have one, if you ever come in a full space, none of you can imagine what my space is like, because everything you want to guess about me is wrong. It's so off. My balance, trust me, my balance. I not depend on Caesar. I not do not now look back on it. I not a regretting kind of person. I want to learn from a mistake kind of person. I want to grow kind of person. Evolve kind of person. I mean that. I not have no problem with throat nothing or nobody. Nothing or nobody. Me not have no problem. And when me walk away from people, me not really feel like me even need to give them an explanation. We not fit no more. Whether it is that me realize say we not fit and me shouldn't there, so or me realize say well we are grow apart and we not fit no more. Me not have no problem. Me not have no problem. So let me tell you something now. Where no hypocrisy come from? Full no hypocrisy. Full no hypocrisy. When you sit down and watch somebody do sitting for years and years and years, and make me show no. Remember, me have the benefit of 360 vision of this. I've been here. Me there before Spice, so me know I look like before Spice. Me know more how Spice know about that argument, yeah. Right? Me walk come in a one space. When me think me come and work, and then me realize I'm up on a battlefield, and me say, but me didn't sign up for this. Me never sign up for this. Me come for the music. And music, me say me addicted to the music. Me want to sing some song and write some something. Let me show you how my trajectory travel. You see when me there at Jamaica, and you not ready for this yet, boss? Every producer start tell me say they want one song like that. Bobby Digital, me do Angle Ride for. Shocking Vibes, me do Goggle for. And after that, every producer, bar none, start tell me say they want, either they say they want, you not ready for this? Or they want Goggle, or they want Angle Ride. And after a while, I felt like I was chasing my tail. And I said so from back then. That was like 20 years ago. 25 years ago. And I got depressed. Because it didn't feel like I was expressing my creativity. So I left. I think maybe that's why the war never started earlier. Because when me reach what Jamaica saw as an initial peak, me cut left. Me move go live in Sweden. And that saved me from the first assault. Where I did launch for me because I cut. And me have multiple calls. If Cecile wish for talk, Cecile can't. Me and Cecile used to be best friend before me move for France. So Cecile sleep on my yard, me sleep at your yard. We sleep on the same bed. We did friend in a real life, and never music friend. Cecile know my mother live a country, come a country when we have cook out of we yard, their country go a river, about Aisha know me. Them they are two friends them when me cultivate out of music. And when me live in Sweden, if Cecile wish, to be honest, I never call Cecile night. Cecile stay about her business. But there was a time when she was trying to get to me, to be friends with me through Cecile. So and so say if you come up our yard, when you come to Jamaica, if you come our yard, cause she run a boat and the whole of it just hang out. And I say, Cecile, you know me not friendly. Me not hang out. Me not friendly. Me not friendly. Yeah, me not friendly. Me get a whole heap of invitation right? Me get enough. But you see, after the bunch of things them when me witness and me hear for myself come out of that same mouth, now me tell you how me and people go. You see, if me see you do something to somebody else, you don't have to do it to me, no. Me uncle need to know say that's what you are, and that's enough for me. I don't want none of that. I may be like, alright, me take one of this and one of that, but me don't want none of that here. Don't put that on my plate. None of that. Me don't want none of that. And that's what I said. Alright, so me hear people say Spice shouldn't say nothing and she love war too much. But let me tell you something about life. And uno hypocrisy. Because I uno nurture this, you know. The behavior could have get rid of a long time if uno never did applaud it, accommodate it, nurture it. Uno. But you see, from back then, let me show you something when I realize about life. Back then, them that try come each upside of me. Every girl who come in our business, we look like they have potential, then go each upside of them. I try suck off them blood energy. Me now, lucky for me now, me grew up standoffish. So my mother grew me. All when me I dead for hungry, I couldn't go next door and accept a plate of food. Me never try feed me. We couldn't take it. We had did some very, very poor aristocrat. So me no mix with people. Ask shocking vibe them when me start come a studio when me stay in one corner. People used to think me crazy because I sit down in a corner when me see artists and come in them full suit. You remember back when I used to wear a upholstery material make some thick suit? And me sit down in a corner and I look on them and I think how hot them must be. And I just start giggle to myself and everybody thinks I'm crazy. Girl from country. Yeah, I mean that by myself. Sit down right by myself. Me and people are not friendly like that. Me not friendly. So when them start telling me to come at them yard for come eat. Me give you context, you know, because them say come at them yard come eat and me say no. Me have my own kitchen. Me have pot too. Me have stove. Me have fridge. Me have cupboard. Me have things in there. Right? So me no go. Or else you see him thing would have reached me that year, so me gonna name out people food too. And them invite everybody. Them go suck up and then run in upon people and invite them to come at them yard. Don't ask me, I tell me, I tell you. Because me reject the invitation there 1,000,001 times and then guess what? It turned in a war. So you don't have, there's no correct way to respond to that advance in a friendship neither, you know. If you accept it, later in the year say you go at the yard, go name out them food. And if you reject it, you say you go on like you better and them and you standoffish. How much things to know hear about me? And I reject it. So you know there's no correct way for respond to the me reject it and first of all, let me tell you what did enough things happen to me, you know. And me sit down and all me do is rationalize the things. Me sit down and me try rationalize what a go on. What caused this? Why the person I do this? What the person I do this for? Me a psychology, me informally study. Me, everybody else do music, me do psychology with a side of music. So when me see people behavior, me go try deconstruct the action to see which behavior feed the action. Right? Me no run in for nothing at all. Just looking at my life and looking at my history and my past. Look, you hear enough things about me, but you don't see it. And you don't know what is true and what is not. Because no fight, when I don't know nothing about you, don't make up things, you know, brother. Remember, I know I'm famous. I'm famous with privacy. I'm famous with almost zero known about me. For the first few years of my popular career, nobody never know what the fuck me look like. Me never like take picture. Me not even like take picture. Me never have no video. Me never have no video. So, when me come in a music from country, I go to studio, me get some song, I feel happy because music a hit or miss, you know. If, believe me, if you see 1,000,000 artists where you like try and say 50 million artists out, they never make it. That is a conservative guess, because I'm pretty sure more is a greater percentage than that feel. And they don't necessarily feel because they're not talented. Some of my most talented people, them never boss. A whole heap of things going to an artist becoming an artist. And becoming popular. Several things more I want to talk about to this. I depend on hypocrisy now. The inability to say no. And the hazard of saying yes. The hazard of saying yes is when them invite you in a them circle. You go in there, you come out back and hear enough things about yourself. You're not allowed to grow. You're not allowed to grow. And one reason only you get invited in another circle, and it's to keep the circle, to make sure that the circle stay under the inviter. So when you get invited, you become a protege of the person who invite you in. You become their protege. And no matter how much success you have, you stay under them. Me spot that from early. And anybody when I work with that, I fight you, You either, let me tell you something. If Gaddafi is still there, but anybody know where Gaddafi there? Gaddafi can't tell no one night he call me from asylum. Say our man rush him because he invites me. And say if you pick a side in the war. Me never even know say me in a blood war. Oh, you know what me do in the war? Go at studio and go sing song. And that turn in a war. Because how dare me make song and people like it and me actually I get popular. How dare me come from country and come up here so can turn smarty. Who do I think I am? Eh? Go ask Gaddafi. So when I want to go ask Gaddafi for me, go ask Gaddafi. Asylum fronting call me from out a door, me there, me yard, na me bed. Call me away. Tanya, if you hear say gunshot a bus, because them go and let them a bad man and none of them no bad me Gaddafi. Because them page him in asylum and I go and let them want drape him. For record me. Say he shouldn't record me and if you pick a side in a war, there was no war. All I know that's attack when his audience shut the and make the people them hear what them a feel inside. And stop going like a moderator of music life because you don't know nothing. When me there my yard, I go about my business and not care about people say them exist. If you turn up and hear my daughter say, when she got prep school, say, pick me and tell her say them hear her name in a song. No know if a Spraga or Ellie or the father for Kelly. Put me pick the name in a song. Put my pick the name in a song. Uno never know that because me ignore it. But you know who me not ignore? Uno. Me not ignore Uno because Uno are some are Uno are some. Me now go ignore Uno. Spice not recruit me in a war. Spice can't recruit me in a war. Go ask Spice if she can recruit me in a war. Spice now call my name because she looks strength in her war. Spice don't need nobody for her. The girl can fight by herself. You think you look like you afraid of people to you? But let me show you something now. The reason why she come and say what she said publicly, because she did act publicly. Me and her already cool in a private. We are right in a private. We don't have no beef. There's nothing for she if you apologize to me for. She said it in public to clear the air because some of the events played out in public. And I find that to be very mature of her to do that. And me accept it. Me accept it before she said it in a public. Me good. She never need to come to me and go and say, yo, Tanya, me do something I'm wrong and me seek your forgiveness. She never need to do none of that because me no need that. Me no need that and me no think she need that neither. Me, completely alright with she. She never take long to apologize. We good long time. Uno, not in our life. This is something we no need to start to know and understand, say. When you listen to one song, you don't know a person sing it, you know. You don't know the person will sing it. You don't. You don't know a person will sing it. When we put out Gangsta Blues, and me hear that song that way I call my daughter name in it. And remember enough things going on. Me dey on the road, on tour, you know. And have reporter come for interview me and when them ask me say, what's your, do you have any comments on the beef between you and so and so? And I'm like, there's beef? What beef? We don't have no beef. You must be mistaken. Oh yeah, but you have to have beef because she was here and she did an interview and then show me interview. Them have to translate it for me. Suppose you see the sitting there what she say about me. Up to this day, she can't tell me nothing. What me do her? Nothing. Nothing at all when me do her. The interview not contain one action done by me towards she. She said me off the whole I man them in her business. Jesus Christ. All I man them? All? So no other women I like some way smell bad, some with rotten teeth, some way dance bad. None of them, me no pass. Me take everyone. Artist, producer, musician, engineer. Me no left a stone unturned. Then I saw me good. That in an interview, Germany me there. Me no forgot. Brown Sugar, Mitzi, we win Rising Star. I did my backup singer and one next girl named Chrissy friend on Amobi. The dep on the road. Taddy P, Goofy. I think a Castic. Is either Castic or Unga. Dep on the road with me. Them something in an interview, you know, so me think me better than, me I go on like me better than dancehall. And me think me better than everybody in a dancehall, but me dirty. Me not no morals. Interview in our magazine. You can't say me we a make up things about her when it documented in a magazine for me still save it. Me save it. Because these are mementos of my journey through music. It's not all been good, up and down. Me save it. Me save it because me need to see when me come through for reach when me reach. Me need to have me have milestones along my journey. Me have milestones along my journey. My mark where me I come from. I keep my focus on where me I go. And everything along the way is incidental and inconsequential. Me, no matter what stimuli approach me. But me I tell you, say, you're a hypocrite. You're a hypocrite. Because you can't have one smaddy when no matter what, them always right. Always right. Me not always right. And believe me right a lot. But me not always right. And next thing too, no stop try to compare people. Stop compare people. Everybody have a unique skill set. Everybody have their own unique skill set with creativity concerned. But let me tell you this. Stop comparing me to people who don't write. When you keep on act like people more lyrical than me. Me write my shit. Me write my shit. Me not a ghostwriter. And me write my shit. Me write my shit. So when not compare me to people getting enough facts straight. Compare me to people who can write. And just listen to the way me write and the way me talk and see if they're not aligned. And listen to the way other people write and talk and see if you think they can actually come up with them words and string them together. People can write a sentence but can write a song. You're an idiot. Is a idiot. You don't left me alone. Stop thinking everybody want the same thing out of music. Everybody don't want the same thing. Before Spice even say anything flattering about Tanya Steam's art. First of all, when we meet Spice back in the day when she just come in her music, Spice compliment me and tell me say me her favorite artist. I meet her Rona. I don't know if she remember. We met Rona at Tanya Studio. Sil. Rona Buju them. Cell Block. That's the first time I ever meet Spice. I don't know what happened between then and after. I don't really care. It no matter. But when we just meet Spice, we never have no animosity. We never have no animosity until other people enter in our picture. Because we never have no reason if we have no animosity. We never have nothing to do with each other. First of all, I don't know if you know me, but there was a time when I lived in Kingston when I used to go karaoke. I used to go Peppers. I used to go Backyard. I used to go Christopher's one time too. I used to go Asylum. Right? I go at night time when I'm there. And then after, I just stop. I'm not going nowhere. me no go nowhere. Because after me the more me expose to people, the less social me feel. When you do stuff like them, yeah, and then you no wonder why people no want go near people. Like me no want go near nobody. Because listen to how you stay. No matter how much you can see things. I don't refuse to call it when you see it. You no nice. You don't nice. You no call things the way you see them. So even though you... Let me show you something one time. When me Winfred Williams, me really not have no interest in talking to Winfred Williams. Winfred Williams is a man who carry on people on his show. He bring on a lady on his show and she disrespect everybody. He bring her on back on his show and complain to people and mess with her. And say she never trouble them yet. And he have a f***ing footage and he no back out here and say, but you did say this and you did say this. He have a footage. So me burn out media. Me burn out reporter, so-called reporter. Me burn out media. Me burn out media because me watch them. Me watch them exacerbate every argument. Them turn every anthill in a mountain. Media. So, you see, every time when you hear someone argument or go on will involve me in it, and I've never had an argument, by the way. Me will state my opinion on Jamaica getting an uproar because somehow me not entitled to no opinion at all. You know, it's stuck on yourself. That idiot. But then Jamaica turn over upon me. And then suddenly you hear Winfred I look for me. This is one I look for me. That you know, me put out song and you know look for me. But when some people turn over upon me, I look for me and then you say artists love animosity and war. Oh no. That's all you know encourage. That's all you know encourage. So as soon as you hear one little argument a go on, I don't know what, but let me show you this. You see, for you, look on your own catalog and this it. Suggest to me, say you need mental help. You see, for you, look on yourself and say you shame at yourself. I'm going to tell you something else to when you do out here, so I disrespect. I disrespect the rest of we know, because we defend ourselves. I don't know this way. First of all, a Spice call me. I'm going to respond to Spice. But this, our long history of disrespect whenever just start with Spice. It start long time. Long time. I come in a business conceit. I'm old. I'm 48. This year I turn 49. 49 this year. I'm coming at the business as a teenager. I'm coming here conceit. Right? I'm coming here conceit. I'm coming here conceit Lady G. I get this. And the things them what I say about Lady G, I can't call you out because that would be spreading that kind of negativity and it was horrible. To be honest with you, what she said about Lady G worse than what she said about me. What she said about my daughter. She talk worse than that about Lady G. I know nobody good. I mean, no care what no one tell me. You never come, you never yet once come and say, what you do wrong? I like the progress where you make. I like the progress where you make, but what you do wrong, atone. No atonement no day. Somebody who can't acknowledge say they do something wrong, don't change. Somebody who can't acknowledge say them do something wrong, don't change. You don't need to apologize, really. But if you're going to apologize, do it right. So start with Lady G. That's the first person I know of. Start with Lady G. You can't tell me say you don't know say you're sitting wrong to Lady G. I mean, I talk about myself. You don't know say you're sitting wrong to Lady G. You think that right? You think that right? You're sitting wrong to everybody. Cecile dodge the public bullet because Cecile deal with it in a different way. But Cecile berate you because me know what I'm going to do with you too. Cecile not make nobody know say nothing go on. Cecile just out the road and laugh. Me? No, sir. You're the boss to blow. Yeah, man. But I take my hat off to you, but then can't go me here at all. Yeah, but you're the real boss. You're the real boss. Lady, and me not like the way you deal with the thing, you know. Lady, and me not like the way you deal with the thing. But me will talk to you in a person. And that then so if you don't talk to each other in a person, me don't know how somebody can run out and talk so publicly, so loud. And then people answer, and you know because people will answer now because it's somebody will talk. You know some don't think afraid of uno. Nobody not afraid of uno. Uno demented the whole town. Me glad say, let me tell you something. Thank you, universe. Say the people who listen to my music now go make trouble. The people who listen to my music now have me as a soundtrack for around people. Thank you, universe. Me appreciate you know. The ones of you, me will talk to you in private, lady. And the ones of you who listen to my music every time when me buck up smaddy. Where they somewhere I call smaddy for me. You know what me do? Me drip them same place. Don't cause nobody for me. But them a call you cokehead. So you think every time they call me cokehead, me take coke? You think they attached to my nose? You think them attached to my body in any way? No, they're not attached to my body, nor my life, nor my consciousness. They're not attached to me. So they can say me a cokehead a million times if they want. That does not make me a cokehead. That makes them a pussy. Left them, make them go and dirty up for them water, my water clean. Me no people. Me personally no people. But when you have one person where I go through the generations, you go through the... Remember, you know? Do remember, you know? When Shensi and mother and father meet, me a big woman would pick me. Me a big woman would pick me. I'm going to tell you this now. Some of the time, we look on ourselves and we think, say, you look on somebody else than yourself, and you think, say, boy, they so unfortunate, they so unfortunate. They can't have no youth. I don't know. There's a theory that maybe a picnic come inside our belly, look up and see where them a go, and wrap your umbilical cord around and they can say, not a pussy. When they see what you do to other people's kids, when they see how you deal with other people's kids, how you talk about other people's kids, the spirit look up and say, are there some really a go? No. Me not go there some. Me go back and wait for a different room. Because you're so no nice. You're so no nice. And a Sprague Elia the father for Kelly. No, if a Sprague Elia the father for Kelly though. Serious? Yo. When me talk about dirty. When you talk about dirty, dirty should have a picture beside it in the dictionary. Don't need no words, just a picture. I may look on the comments them, and the comments them, yo, me not gonna lie to you, the comments them piss me off, you know, cause the woman them can't get along, the woman, which woman them you talk? Which woman them where the plural come from? And one somebody cause a like problem. One common denominator. One no more. What do you mean by woman them? Woman them who? Woman them whom? Woman them who? Woman them who? Woman them who? Tell me. Woman them who? Woman them who? Talk no. Woman them who? Woman them who? When you say all these things, a years and years me ignore it for, you know. A years me ignore it for. Ignore it. To the point when I reach down to when people call me about show, me say, who the punish show? And when me hear name, no, me not take it. Me not go. Me not want to breathe the same ear. Me not want to breathe the same ear. Me reach to the point where me have VP records about 3 different people. Christian come to me. Brian Greenspoon come to me. And it's either Chris Schlab or Eric Steinberg come to me. I ask me if me can end the beef. And I say, which beef? The beef between we. cause you know look good with the on one label. Me say, what do you do for cause of beef? They don't know. Me say, well, me cannot go talk to the other person. You know we can't talk to her because she's not bright. Yeah, they say you're not that bright. You can't reason, so they can't talk to you. They're afraid of you. And then come to me. Everybody come to me and ask me for end beef. So I say, you know what I say to them? I say, all right, tell me exactly what I'm doing that I should do differently or stop doing to end this beef, and I will do it. And that's how me get rid of them about me, because they couldn't tell me what to stop do. Me not do nothing. Me just wake up in the morning, brush my teeth and drink my tea. As long as me alive, me a problem. Me just have to live. The time when the thing exacerbated to the point now where it reached, it come out from back of the wall and come in at the public sphere now. When she called me after me left some fest and claim say me say she flap on some fest. Now between me and your people, if you know, look, call Johnny Guzang and look back on the footage them and look on him and look on the crowd, and then you know decide for no self. Me never have to say it. I did not say it. I did not need to. The people them stand up on her like me never get a body so stiff yet. I would have loved a body stiff like that audience. Turn up on him. And then he come and cuss me. Call me. Me never know where to get me number, you know. Because we are not conversant. We're not friends. Now, let me tell you something about Uno too. What Uno keep on do. Uno keep on try to get people to become friends when I have nothing in common. The fact that we work in the same office no make we friends. Uno no get along with everybody if Uno work. Stop the matchmaking. Uno want no matchmaker. Stop it. You like music, you listen to what you like. And stop try mix and match people. People are not things. People are people. And we pick with friends them based off of compatibility. Me and she have nothing in common. Me never gonna wear and buck him yet because the type of place where I go. Me sure me not go there. Any type of place where I go. They don't want him there. We couldn't be friends if I know for music. We would know say exist. We would have buck. We would have buck. Stop trying to make people into friends just because you can like two people music and they not know each other. Uno cause all of this. Uno. I talk about me need a collab. That's the next thing to stop other collab from. When look at my blood stop other collab. Me can like somebody music and we not do no collab, you know. Every time I click like on somebody sitting on underneath there. Can I get a collab? You can't get no collab. You know if you stop it. And them up there cause you war them. Cause you know make it seem like this is one boys and girls club. It's not. We are no girl guides. We are big people. We are adult people where I go off work and come back and we are do a real life. Nobody in there, no nobody friend. Not try to make friend out of all with her. And then now see the little, watch the little wannabe critics them. Why they can't get along? Because you don't get along with every journalist neither. The fact is that we in our public eye so we can see when we don't get along. But now we don't get along neither. We don't get along. Stop asking more from artists than want to do for themselves. We are not no affiliate. Me don't know him. Me don't know him. We don't go to school together and you all are me. And we don't go to same school. Me go to Mearside. Me don't know if he go to school. You don't left me alone. And I come tell me about when me I come get myself in the fact. Me get myself in a nothing. Me did about my business and mind my business. Call me name. And the reason why Spice end up a call me what day are because did call me name. And then you not come go like innocent. Innocent. Eh? Innocent weird. You don't stop it. Because if me, let me tell you something. You see people with the point where my real fans and me I beg you to do me a favor here. Me I beg you to do more a favor. You see anyone see me I keep up. Tell me. Tell me. Me don't want no. I don't want no sycophant. Me don't want no Charlie McCarthy. Me don't want no cheerleader. Me look like a team. I'm not a team. I'm a person. And I don't want no cheerleader. When you see me do something wrong, call me upon it. Call me upon it. So that me can straighten up myself and lace up and get in line. You me make music. Me no make life. Me no make life. Me no do not want to need me for. Want to choose. Want to opt into me. Me no want necessity. In fact, me have a luxury in enough way. Because so many people who buy me things, me know say them squeeze them budget for buy me things. Me appreciate it, and if them ask me first, would I tell them not do it? Me would I tell them not do it? Me and somebody will work out. Me you know, so me have never fixed price. Me listen to the venue capacity, how much I'm going to charge for ticket. Me ask if they have sponsors, and me do feasibility study for everybody show. Me get cussing from me agent all the while, so me too kind. Oh, you too kind. Me no have, me I want human. Me I want reasonable, rational person, and I'm a pragmatist. I mean I go stop be that. Yeah? Me not go stop be that. These are the things I am. Me go a show, and me say show rain out and nobody no come, and promoter Karen Balance come give me, and I said no. It's okay. Because me know say, I know everybody will keep a show, have it like that. Some of them max out them credit card and take out loan, max out them wife credit card. Some of them, you know how much artists make people house go in a foreclosure card and go take out loan pan them house. Then go take out money pan them house and go put in a show. And artists not turn up. And the money gone. You know how much people that reach? When me go up on the road, me not just perform for you know, me listen to stories. I go up on the road as a human being and I listen to stories. So my time, me end up at on therapist for the road. Me have to listen to Ufa with me. I have to listen to a little white girl somewhere where one Jamaican man come and tell her say in love her and she believe him and him breed her and gone left her with two pitney. Two black pitney in our white community where she don't know what to do with them. And when she bought black people on the road and cuss her, so she not take care of black pitney then good. And she don't know what to do and she just at her wit's end and just end up on my shoulder. After the show I cry. And that me do. That's the work when me do. I mean, I big up myself and fight me. I say that's what I do. I don't have time for people who call me and my pitney name. I don't have time for them. But I have time for Uno. Because Uno encourage this kind of behavior. Uno encourage this kind of behavior. And then come out as a judge artist. Look at them. Look at the way they behave. Look at the way they behave. Can you imagine? After when you encourage the degenerate behavior, when you encourage the degenerate behavior, and then when you see the everybody will see I go on somebody uno cause it. First of all, Maka, when you talk to sit them, talk them straight enough, and there you know say my mouth, you know say me not have no grill or nothing, you know. Don't make it look like a complete innocent and you're the first person who apologize to me. Maka Diamond are the first person who apologize to me. No, Maka, me and you good enough. We don't have no problem and me never have no problem before you apologize. But you first apologize to me, I make it look like you never do nothing yet. So and everybody will come down upon you. You did in a group. Them the people in my farm group named Military. Because what? Because somebody make up one fictitious war between me and them. And then they go recruit some soldier. Like I want army them a farm. To fight one girl. Me. The paramilitary. So Birch, give me one rhythm name military. I'm clean up the place with it. T-A-N-Y-A. Step on anything in my way. Chop with the microphone and the AK. Ready for anything you send my bum. You want war make it start. I don't bother talking thing with them. Yeah? Me did hear all the rumor them, but me sit back quiet and a humor them. None of me ready for. Listen. I me write my song them here. I don't have no ghostwriter. I don't have no ghostwriter. I have people that take shots after me for years and years and years. And I sit down and I not say nothing. I get married one day and nobody, well, nobody. Some years ago, decade ago. And nobody no know. It wasn't public because I'm a private life. I don't see because I'm a private life. Person I'm married to, nobody no know him because he never come from out of them circle and he never interested in going in their circle. You know, some of the on the road with the man see them, she and her man come up to him and I try to chat to him. Yo, we always see you and we want to say, but we not. You say, yes, you me see you pass a long line here in a airport security. I mean, I see you say I know to none of them man. Why am I man you want to say I to? Why? Why you try so hard to get near me? Which part me live? Me didn't live in a one gated community, you know. Me live in a house in a one gated community. And all of a sudden, me see she start to run. This I first me ever hear this from a barn. Everybody wear jog uphill. So when them bus and I come back down hill easy upon them. She jog down hill for pass community. And sit down on the wall out in front. And when we are pass, hi! Madam man, me stop on one fruit man, me start go to so. She start go to me change. Everywhere me go and come, me stop. Me used to sit down hang out when a mixing lab when me there town. All of a sudden, me say, you see, when one of my brethren them call me and say, guess who out here? Me just say, alright, thank you for the heads up and me turn on me yard. And when me stop go there, she stop go there too. Everyone me going follow back at me. It's a fun. Let me tell you this now. You see, uno out here so I tell me, say, me, no bad like she, do understand she's already told me that she wish she was bad like me. So no stop that shit on her chat here. Stop that. Stop that. Is a sycophant. And what she did really need to do is be nice. If she did just nice. Now let me tell you something else will cause a problem. You see, making a transition there from being young and doing sex stuff to growing older and not being able to do sex stuff, because between me and you, it's not cute for one old man come out on stage and skin out her crutches and say, come feel this is fat. Come feel the way you're fat. It's not cute. And if we move from being young and being able to get by with that, no, me not judge it, you know. Me not judge it. I mean not judge it because judgment belongs to the Lord. No, me not judge it because it don't mean nothing to me. Me not care. But the audience never like it. No more. The audience that grow tired of it. So she needed a transition. You see, if she's nice to me, I'd write her a brand new catalog and would make a bridge. You know me can do it. Come on. I'm not sing my own praises, me just tell you a fact. Me could have write her a bridge. I can still write her a bridge. I can put a verse and a chorus before it and give her a bridge. From young sex to old sex. Me go show you how it do. Me go show you so old people can too. And you don't have to run away and go over there, so go stay over in a Jesus realm and lust after over here. So you could have stay right over here so and just be mature. Mature people are 16. After when I stop have sex on your own. We don't stop. We have sex on all same way. Me I have sex till me 100. Me. When we stop produce my own lube, I buy it. It's sell a shop. When we get old, me I get dry. You know so things. So things there. And then me I go buy a lube shop. You never have to go over there so. You never have to go over there so you could have been nice. You see if you never try fight me so much, but I say, yo, come here. Me wouldn't shadow right. Me wouldn't even need no, me wouldn't even want no publishing or fight. Me would give you the credit. Me would give you the credit. Me that write you something, girl, if you did nice to me and just ask. But instead you try to fight me, and the more you try to fight me, the worse you look. The more you know, say if you just left me, make me go about my business. Make me go about my business. You know what you did? You start compete with me, and then people force for all the way up, and everybody will have sense and no, that one you better. Are you cause that you not come in and compete with you? Me not compete with you, no, me in my own lane. And say me I try to take in spot. Which blood spot you have for me want? You ever see if man come on stage and touch me, a security carry them off, you know? Me don't want nobody touch me. Me I almost germaphobe. But when it come to like sexually touching me, strange man walk up on stage and touch me, me paranoia. Me I come from me I suffer from trauma from sexual violence. A man can't walk up on stage and touch me like that. So me don't want that spot there. I've never wanted it. I never ever wanted it. Me never compete for it. Just think about this. My biggest song them, It's a Pity. You have not like that? What are they? You have anything like that? These streets? Anything like that? The only thing you can come close to a boom and we not talk about the same thing, you know. Understand that? I'm going to tell you something else. I know 1 or 2 times me sing sitting and then take the theme and run go make sitting after it. You know how much time them promote my fornication? You know how much time them promote my slackness? Me promote polyamory. When for the message change, just watch over the years how the message change drastically. Watch over the years how the message. Then come out and talk, say them bad and nobody can take them man in on them or beat a girl if they take them man in. No. Me come out and say take good care of my man and then suddenly they love their mate. You know, I love them yet before me say take good care. And look on the timestamp of the release them and understand said this come out before that. Yeah? Because me literally believe in a polyamory. It's not, for me, it's not a song. And then me hear a song and me laugh till me say, look here now, do my work, girl, do my work. Do my work. Because yeah, I want to start think more open. That's me. I want to start think more. I sing about voyeurism, polyamory, polygyny, polygamy. Do the work, girl. Teeth my thing, yes? What do you mean? Me personally, music as a vehicle to carry out my ideology. Music is a vehicle to carry out my ideology. My ideology may come for share. Telling already. Music is secondary. Psychology is first. Me do one song about out rapists. And I go to California before me go album and I do one interview. I talk about my album, upcoming album, and they ask me which song on it. Me just say I want to stand out for me and I tell them about that one because me did always try write it. But for some reason every time I write it, it never feel like it come out right. It never feel like it come out right. And so me just never express it. And then on that album, I felt like I got it. I feel like it could have represent me and I wouldn't feel disappointed when I hear it. And so me did I talk to them about it. Suddenly me here, I come back to Jamaica, me here power interview. Me do one song about rape and me first. So if a girl say, I'm like, who in their right mind wants to own rape? Me would have liked to give my like. Oh God. Let me tell you something, you see? When you stop asking for unity, there is no possibility of me ever uniting with anybody who has that kind of a character. Just understand that.
No, I know someone who say enough of this. We tired of it. We don't want no more enough it done now. But at the end of the day, it's happening. And as Tanya say, we don't stop tell big people what to do with them life. Viewers, talk to me in the comment section. Let me know what is your take on this one. Talk to me in the comment section. Let me know what is your take on this one. This has been another one from Unstoppable TV. Like, share, comment, and definitely if this is your first time and you have not yet hit the subscribe button, please consider hitting the subscribe button now. Turn on all notifications. Once you upload a video, you will get notified. No matter what, don't let nobody stop you. I am unstoppable and I'm out.
Right now you know we unstoppable. Unstoppable.